Done?
Yep.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
The switch thing has been driving me crazy. So I turned it off and checked every outlet. Now, 4 of them don't work, which means one of them has to be controlled by the switch. So I plugged in things in all 4 outlets that make noise. That way, when I turn it on, I just follow the noise and find out which one it is.
I better stop listening before you did.
You know, you also could have used lamps and then followed the light.
Yeah, well, I'm using noise. Okay. All right, so everybody ready? Here we go. I hear something. I hear something. Where is it? It's coming from Joey.
Oh my God, that's so freaky! Turn him off!
Hi. Hi.
What are these?
Oh, just some pictures I made and hung up. Thought they'd brighten up the place. They do, don't you think?
Ow! No, don't!
I know there's no hole there. I just really like that picture.
Oh my God, look at this!
Okay, but there is a wire back there. I mean, that switch is connected to something.
I don't care. The wires have come loose in your head.
I just thought if I could follow the wire, I could find out what it did.
And did you?
No. Disappears back there behind that baseboard. For a minute there, I thought it went downstairs. But it didn't. Say hello to Mrs. Katrakis.
Oh my God.
Hello, darling.
Hello, Mrs. Katrakis.
All right. The super couldn't figure out what it did. The $200 an hour electrician couldn't figure out what it did. I've had 7 pretty serious shocks. I officially give up.
Thank God.
Guess Joey was right. It does nothing.
See? I'm doing it. I am totally doing it. I lost it.